Hi! In front of me is Nokia G10 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on auto rotation on this device. Firstly, access tab menu. Then you need to find auto rotate icon and tap on it. As you can see, auto rotation is now on, but you can also go into settings, choose display, click on advanced and manage auto rotation by tapping on the switcher next to auto rotate screen. If the switcher is blue, that means that auto rotation is enabled, but you can always just check it out by going into any app and simply turning your Nokia device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!